Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is ages. So friends, while solving any question, you have to read very carefully. You have to observe very carefully, then solve it. And one more thing is, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends. So let's start. Question number 1. The present ages of 3 persons are in proportion 3:5 is to 7. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 48. Find the present ages in years. So our target to find the present ages in years. 4 years ago, person 1, person 2 and person 3. 4 years ago was sum of 48 years, right? Present ratio is 3:5:7. Person 1, person 2 and person 3. 4 years ago, total ages of sum 48 years. So now it will be, we have to add per person 4 years plus 4 plus 4. So total will be 12 years. We have to add 4 years per person plus, right? So present age will be sum of 3 person 60 years and 357 is equal to 15 and 15 is equal to 60 years, right? So 15 4 is 60. 1 unit is equal to 4. Our target to find what is the present ages. So 4 into 3 it is 12. 4 into 5 it is 20 and 4 into 7 28. So present age of the persons 12, 20 and 28. So this is the answer, correct answer, right? 12, 20 and 28. See once again, person 1, person 2, person 3 is equal to 48 4 years ago. Question asking what is the present age. So we have to add 4 years and 4 years and 4 years per person is equal to 12. We have to add 12 years, right? So 48 plus 12 is equal to 60 years. So present age is 60 years. Now 357 is 15. 15 is equal to 60. So 1 unit is equal to 4. So 4 into 3 12, 4 into 5 20 and 4 into 7 28. So present ages of person 12 years, 20 years and 28. This is not in ratio. 12 years, 20 years and 28 years. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. The ratio of the mother's age to her daughter age is 9:5. The product of their ages is 1125. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be, after 5 years, mother and daughter ratio is 9:5 and product, so this is 9x and this is 5x. Product means multiply. So 9x into 5x is equal to 1125. 9 into 5 is 45. X into x is equal to x square is equal to 1125. So x square is equal to 1125 by 45. Now 5 9 is 45, 5 2 is 10, 1, 5 2 is 10, again 1 and 5 5 5 is 25, right? So 9 4 जा 1 minute, 9 2 जा 18, remaining 4, so 9 5 जा 45. So x is equal to x square is equal to 25, right? So x will be only 5. Now after 5 years will be, so 9x 9 into 5 will be 45, and 5 into 5 will be 25. After 5 years, so we have to add plus 5, right? So this is 50 and this is 30. So ratio will be 10 5 जा 50 and 10 3 जा 30. So ratio is after 5 years 5 ratio 3. So option is the, which option is the correct? Yes, option D is the correct. Now see here once again friends, mother and daughter ratio is 9:5. So this is 9x and this is 5x. Mother 9x and daughter 5x. Product means we have to multiply, right? We have to multiply. So 9x into 5x is equal to, product is 1125. 9 into 5 is 45, x into x is x square. So x square here and 1125 by 45. So x square is equal to 25. So only x is equal to 5. Our target to find what will be the after 5 years. So x is equal to 5. Present age will be 9 into x, means 9 into 5 45. This is present age and this is future age. Present age is 45 and present age of daughter is 25. After 5 years will be 45 plus 5 is 50 and 25 plus 5 is 30. In ratio 10 5 ja 50 and 10 3 ja 30. So ratio is the 5:3. So option D is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. The ratio of the present ages of two friends is 2:3 and 6 years back the ratio was 1:3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 4 years? Ratio of the present ages 2:3. 6 years back we have to minus 6. Ratio was 1:3. So this is 2x and this is 3x. 2x 6 years back we have to subtract by 3x minus 6 is equal to 1/3. 3 2 just 6, we have to multiply 6x minus 6 3 just 18 is equal to 1 into 3x minus 6. 6x minus 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12, right? So x is equal to 4. Present ratio is 2x. So present age will be 4 2 is 8, right? And 4 3 is 12. After 4 years, our target to find what will be the ratio of their ages after 4 years. Present age is 8, we have to 8 plus 4 and 12 plus 4. So this is 12 and this is 16. 12 years and this is 16 years. In ratio 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. So 3:4. After 4 years will be 3:4. Now see here once again friends. Ratio is in present. Ratio is in present 2:3. So we have 2x and 3x. Past 6 years. Past 6 years was 1:3. So 2x minus 6 we have to subtract because past 6 years, right? By 3x minus 6 is equal to 1/3. So 3 into 2 is 6x and 3 into 6 is 18 is equal to 1 into 3x is. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friend who are preparing examination. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.